Hello guys, and welcome back into today's video. I have a lot to go over, and I'll be talking a lot about some of the setups that I'm looking at, as well as doing a very nice recap on today's trades, which I alerted on all the servers. I have a link in the description for kind of like my Discord bot, where you can kind of see the servers we alert for, trade recaps, all that cool stuff. And we have a hire us channel where you can actually get the bot into your server. So overall, let's get into this video. This will be a very interesting video, and definitely watch the full video because there will be a lot of very nice and great plays. So overall, I want to start off with SNOW. Okay, so SNOW had a very nice setup. Over here we had a kind of like ascending-ish triangle, we had a gap consolidation, and then we broke out today. Now this really reminds me of the play on Roblox, okay, which I'll be going over in this video. Roblox has a very similar setup, and I am looking at Roblox for a play, and I really do think Roblox is a very nice play. And right after SNOW fills the gap, I think Roblox is going to be running next, which is going to be very nice. So if we actually take a look at SNOW, we broke the 230 level. Okay, that was our consolidation kind of like level. That was our major breakout level, 230. So I actually did a scalp on SNOW today. I was actually going to swing it, but overall I paper-handed and took in profits at around 11%. This contract ran out very nicely and very hard. But we're taking a look at SNOW over here. It has officially entered the gap. So even tomorrow, throughout this week, I think we're easily going to be hitting $250. Okay, $250 is kind of like that gap level, and that is going to be the price target. Overall, I think I made my money with SNOW. I'm not gonna risk it entering in again. But overall, I was watching this setup, throughout the day. Even on Twitter, I had a very nice entry on SNOW. Okay, so I made a whole alert on SNOW. This was like right after market opened, so make sure to follow me on Twitter. But overall, I was able to get a very nice play on SNOW, a very nice 11%. And overall, I think I'm done with SNOW. A lot of people are still swinging SNOW. If you got a very nice entry on SNOW, this thing is going to fly to $250. Overall, that is it with SNOW. However, SNOW really looks, just like Roblox. Okay, so Roblox is another play that I'm watching. Okay, so SNOW was on my watch list since last week. But Roblox looks very nice. Okay, Roblox looks very nice. Above $51, we're going to $56, and we also have a very nice gap play going on with Roblox. I really like Roblox, but again, above 51 only. Okay, we need to break that level of resistance, and our stop loss is going to be 46. If we break 46, this play is invalidated. We kind of have a left shoulder, a head shoulder, and a right shoulder, so an inverse head and shoulder, and I really like this play. One thing to keep in mind is both Roblox and SNOW are very volatile stocks. Okay, so they move a lot in either direction, so the IV on your contracts is going to be pretty high, something to keep in mind if you're swinging it. But overall, that is also it with Roblox. Definitely a play you guys have to keep an eye on. Okay, I'll be posting updates on my Twitter. Overall, the next thing I want to go over is, we had SNOW, very nice 11%, and I want to go over CCL. So this was also on the weekly watch list. Again, I went over these stocks on my YouTube. Okay, I literally on yesterday's video, I went over, and then I posted charts on Twitter. So if you actually take a look at CCL, we had a very nice bull flag breakout. Now, if you're not in any of the servers I alert for, I'm gonna go kind of like how I alert them. So if you actually scroll up, right at market open, so 4 minutes after market open, I posted a chart right at market open. I was watching the setup on CCL because it was right at resistance. CCL gapped up, and overall, right at that level, I entered in and alerted a buy to open position on CCL. Again, you guys can check the times. This was right at market open, and boom, just a couple minutes later, we had a very nice 30% gainer, which I got out very, very quickly. This play hit over 100%, right over here at the peak. It hit over 100%. But me, I'm just in and out very, very quick, just like SNOW. And especially with SNOW, when I was in at that play, when I alerted SNOW calls on the Discord, like, it was extremely, extremely high. Like, it was going up, extremely, extremely high. And I definitely had the fear of a pullback. And, eventually I got out right around, 234 before to actually start bull flagging and dumping and actually going to the all-time high of the day. But overall, that is just something to keep in mind. I'm really, out, in and out very quick. But overall, CCL did hit our price target today. It had a crazy move today. The chart was very, very nice. And fun fact, I was watching this since last week. Okay, this was on Friday. Okay, I was watching CCL 325 over the weekend. So definitely, if you guys do want the bot in your server, make sure to join the server, link in the description, and you can actually chat with me. But overall, that is it with CCL. Great play. I made my money with CCL, and I'm not playing it again. My next play, okay, I'm still in AMD. So as you guys know, AMD was a very, very nice play. We were up over 90% on our calls, and I'm still swinging my one last contract. Okay, we made a lot of money with AMD. Okay, but today it had a very, very nice close. Okay, we could see it's kind of flagging on the daily, so above 120. We're going to 124, 125. So AMD definitely looks very, very nice for our last contract. I'm hoping we can get like 120% gainer on our last contract, so I can close off my last position. So that is it with AMD. Now, another play that I'm actually watching is Apple puts. I made a TikTok on this one. But, as you guys saw, Apple is running, incredibly the past couple days. The whole market is. And at 176.57, I'll be looking to enter in a very light position on puts. So right when it hits that level, I'll be entering in puts. Very, very small position. Really not enough confidence because, we could just break right through this resistance and go to all-time highs. If you actually take a look at the SPY is at the resistance. The QQQ is approaching the resistance. The whole market is approaching resistance. And I think tomorrow, we're going to have a very nice morning pump. And then we're going to hit that resistance. And I think we're going to pull back, just quite a little bit because, we have had a incredible week, the past 2 weeks, and we definitely need a rest because the market can't just keep going up. But overall, QQQ looks very nice for puts at these levels, and again, please set levels at these levels. Okay, I went over this on my weekly watch list video, and definitely Apple puts are looking very, very, very juicy, and I'll actually alert Apple puts, and I'll have updates on my Twitter, so make sure to follow me on Twitter. Overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Very, very in-depth video recap on my trades. Hope you guys watched the whole thing because every day I post videos, you guys can really learn a lot from my experience. And again, my goal really is to spread knowledge. Like, you're not gonna buy off these alerts because I'm getting them. You're going to be getting in because you like the play, because you like the psychology behind the play, because you like the technical analysis behind the play. That is my goal, with these alerts. But overall, hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow is definitely going to be a very, very interesting day because I will be looking to take puts right when we hit all the resistance, and I'll be leaving updates on Twitter. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys tomorrow at market open. Bye-bye.